Hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we are going to solve for this problem where we are given with three different equilateral triangles and the total area of the purple triangle and the red triangle together is 10 square units and we need to solve for the area of the yellow region. So pause the video and give it a try as I'm gonna solve this problem in 3, 2 and 1. We have this figure. Now we are given that the area of purple and the red triangle together is 10 square units. Now let's just mark the sides of these triangles. Let's say the side of the purple triangle is A and the side of the red triangle is B. Now we know that the area of the equilateral triangle is given by this formula, that is root 3 by 4 into side square. Now using this formula, I can rewrite this equation like this, and if I'm going to take root 3 by 4 as common, I'll be getting this equation. Let's keep it aside, I'll use it later. Now let's just consider the side of the bigger triangle as C. Now let's just focus on this triangle with sides A, B and C. We know that all of the triangles here are equilateral triangle and therefore every single corner angle is going to be 60 degrees. Therefore this much angle is going to be 60 plus 60, 120 degrees. Now let's just focus on this triangle only. Now we will try to find a relation between the sides A, B and C, and for that we do have a rule, and that is cosine rule. Now using the cosine rule for our triangle, I'll be getting this expression, and here you can see that we do have cos 120 degree and we know that cos 120 degrees is equal to minus sine 30 degree. So substituting its value, I'll be getting minus 1 by 2 here. Simplifying this further will give me an equation which is c square is equal to a square plus b square plus ab. Let's keep it aside, we'll be using this equation later. Now what if I want to calculate the area of this triangle? Here we can see that we do have two sides A and B and an angle included by the side, and for this case we do have this formula, and using this formula I'll get the area of this triangle as half AB into sine 120. Now we know that sine 120 degree is same as cos 30 degree, therefore substitute the value of cos 30 degree here, I'll get this equation. Therefore the area of this triangle is going to be root 3 by 4 AB. Now let's just get back to the original figure. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate the area of this yellow region. Therefore, the area of yellow region is going to be the area of this triangle with the side C. It's going to be root 3 by 4 C square because this is also an equilateral triangle minus area of this triangle, and that's what we have already calculated. So we'll get this expression for the area. Now let's just substitute the value of c square which is already here, and by doing so we'll get this expression. Rewriting this will give me this expression, and I can see that these two terms are same but with the opposite sign, so they will get cancelled out. So the final simplified answer is going to be this, and this value is already here which is 10. So the final answer for area of yellow region is going to be 10 square units. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.